What I did was I put 50-50, 50% paint, 50% water. That's what I want to whitewash it with. But this is, like I say, the trim from the room in there. All right, we're going to be whitewashing the fireplace. First thing you want to do is brush it off, brush everything off. A lot of people will take a cleaner and clean it. I brushed it off with a broom, cleaned off all the ledges. And right here in this pail is a 50-50 mixture of paint and water, latex paint, and an old paintbrush, and you need a rag. I'm going to show you on the spot right here. Just brush it on. Brush it in there. And you want to start from the top and work your way down, but just for purpose of showing you, we're going to do it like this. Just get everything painted in an area. Start from the top, work your way down. And once you get a small area painted, come back to your rag. That's it. All right, that's the side. So if you notice that the top is a little darker than what it is, it gets lighter as we go down. It's because the brick actually soaks up the paint. So you'll have that. But the one thing you need to watch out for is all the paint that drips on this side. You need to be sure to get that off. Another thing you need to do is down here on the floor, you got it masked off, but take your shoes off, put your paper towels down so you can wipe your feet. If not, you're gonna track it across your floor because there's a lot of splattering that goes on with this. When we get over here in this area, we're gonna actually cover this up down here on the bottom because we're gonna be working from top to bottom. And we're gonna cover that up because of these little splatter marks that it makes right there. We don't want that.